morning, y'all. Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. I'm here to show you a quick little craft. I'm not gonna do the whole craft because it's pretty simple, and I'm gonna show you the beginning and the end. Okay? I got these tinsel cat wreaths. It's on a plastic frame from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. Okay, so this, what I did with it was, and y'all, this can be for any time of the year, not just Halloween, but depending on what color that you make your kitty cat would depend on what season, you know, if you wanted it year round or if you wanted it for Halloween. So came from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, I don't even know if they carry them anymore. I have no idea, but it's got 50 million little nubs on it, but it comes with wrapped in tinsel all the way around, inside and out. So if this is a craft that, you know, you can do for Halloween, or if you got a young child that likes kitty cats, you could do one for their room for year round. It doesn't have to be, you know, black and orange. I've got pink chunky yarn out right here. It could be for girl. You could put a blue for boy, or, you know, any color. You can make, you know, you could even do the black cat. Whatever kind of chunky yarn you want to wrap it in, or anything like that. Chunky yarn, if you're looking for different colors, now they don't pay me to say this, I just know that I've ordered from Becozy, B-E-C-O-Z-I-E, I think is how they spell it. They have the orange and the yellows and all the colors that you can't find at Hobby Lobby and Walmart, which our Walmart is a small Walmart. They don't even have chunky yarn at our Walmart, so there goes that. But they've got all the unique colors. I've ordered the bright orange and yellow before and done like little candy corn attachments for wreaths and stuff. So they just got all the different, you know, pretty colors. So, and this thing, like I said, it's got 150 million little nubs that this tinsel is wrapped around. I guess the longest part about doing this is wrapping your yarn around all the places, because it really does take a few minutes to do. And we've almost got the tinsel off of this one. And I'll show you a few little things, and then I'm going to show you the finished product, because it's kind of, you know, self-explanatory what you can do. So y'all don't need me to sit here and show you how to just wrap yarn around and around and around and around. Because that's basically what you do. And then at the very end, you know, you just kind of put a little dab of hot glue on there to keep it from unraveling, you know. But I will get the tinsel off of this one and show you so you're aware, it's got nubs everywhere. Okay, so that wasn't too bad to get that off. So, and it's a better tinsel than what, you know, is on the little crafts at Dollar Tree. So it's a heavier little tinsel. It makes some pretty little top hats, and you know, for like snowmen and stuff. So save your tinsel if you take it off for another project. Now this was 2 years ago. This was 2019, and they were $5.99. I'm sure I got them on sale. All right, I used wire cutters, but look, it's got nubs all the way on the insides. I mean, 150 million of them. You'll need to get the ones on the inside the ears, all around the outsides. You don't want to cut this little stem because that holds your head to your body. And you're going to want to get on the inside of your tail, all inside the middle, all around the outsides. You're going to want to get all those little nubs off. And that takes a few little minutes. If they go flying everywhere, so if you kind of do them like this, you can kind of get them in your hand and they don't go everywhere. First one I did, I had them all over the place. Even right here, I would cut these off here at this tail part, in between here, and I don't cut your tail off, but in between there, I would do those. But you just want to make sure you get all those off, and you're just going to start wrapping. You're just going to start wrapping. Wherever you start, I would put a little hot glue to start it, and then continue to wrap. And you're going to want to keep it in a bundle, because you're going to wrap and you wrap and wrap. If not, you're going to be pulling. So I wouldn't undo my bundle until I got, you know, a good bit done. But I'm not going to keep y'all all here for a long time, because I mean, all you do is wrap. You glue at the beginning, you're going to glue at the end, and that's all there is to it. Now let me show you how they're going to look. I've made 2 so far. That one's not going to be Halloween. All right, so see how cute? This one's going to be Halloween, and I took a different color and put here for the ears. I just, I think it's like 7 inches. I made a V, and I just put a little glue on each side, and then I put some glue up under here and laid it down. Let's see, this is what it looks like. Aren't those cute? And you just wrap. So I didn't figure y'all wanted to just sit here and just watch me wrap, and that would be kind of boring, just to sit here and do that. So here's the orange one, and this is the chunky yarn that came from Be Cozy. See how bright and pretty? Orange. I've never seen that color like at Hobby Lobby or anywhere like that. They're kind of expensive with shipping, but it's a little bit more costly. But I thought they turned out cute, and I will post a picture of the one in pink when I get it done. But I just didn't want to just sit here and just bore y'all to death with just wrapping, when basically, you know, y'all know how to do that. So and make sure you get them you know, thick. And I see a little spot right here on this one. And when you're going around, like on the tops of the tail, you do want to add a little bit of hot glue up under there just to keep it from separating and all falling down to one side. So as you're going on the top of the tail, you'll want to put a little glue, and then on the top of the ears, you want to add a little glue. Just, you know, every once in a while on the circles, you may want to even add a little glue just to keep it from separating. This one I probably got a little bit thicker. It's a thicker, chunky yarn than the black. I think the black probably came from Hobby Lobby, but the orange definitely came from Be Cozy. So y'all get to crafting, get you some chunky yarn, get you, I don't know if the Dollar Tree carries a kitty cat wreath form or not. I have no idea. But if they do, you could do the same thing with one that came from Dollar Tree. I don't know if they carry a cat or not. Now when I got through, I took a pipe cleaner and just put on the back to hang it with. You might could see that one a little bit better. So see, I just wrapped a little pipe cleaner around there just to hang it with. But you wouldn't have to. You could, you know, hang it up, put a little nail up under there. But I think they turned out very cute. They're very easy to do. Just unravel your tinsel, cut those little nubs off, and then wrap your yarn. Get to wrapping. So I thought this was a cute idea. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know if you can find the frames. I haven't looked. I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in a while. It's probably been, I don't know, 2 months. I need to go. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all. Let me know if y'all are gonna make some. I do know that like Dollar Tree puts out some pumpkins and stuff. You can do the same thing with those. You can take the tinsel off of them, cut the little nubs off, and do those the same way. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree even in several weeks, so I have been at home and working, and that's it. So I need to get out. I need to go shopping. But anyway, y'all, I love you all, and until next time, get to crafting, come up with something unique, come up with something pretty, and share it with me. Let me know what y'all are doing. Thank y'all. Let me know if y'all like these ideas. And this one is not going to be Halloween. It's going to be pink, a pink cat. So it could be in a little girl's room all year. So, you know, it don't have to be for Halloween. It could be, you know, for a little girl that just likes kitty cats. All right? Thank y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. And until next time, I love you all, and I'll see y'all later. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.